Hey guys, I want to show you how I refresh my natural hair to get perfect defined curls. Super easy, without heat, in way less than 1 hour. This is what my hair looks like today. I will tell you how I got it to look like this. So this is first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day. Nah, that can't be right. This is the sixth day. This is the sixth day. So this is sixth day hair. That's crazy. I didn't even realize that. Hello everyone. Thank you so much, by the way. Thank you so much for all your responses. It was amazing to see how much people are interested in the natural hair course. So that's amazing. I have some exciting stuff I want to share with you. I am currently busy with filming the course, so really excited about that. I want to make it great. I want to make it super great. That is not a good reference. I want to make it amazing for you guys so you can get all the information you need out of it. Definitely going to include all these topics that you wanted more information on. Gonna make it as elaborate as possible so that you can get everything out of this course that you need. Next to the course, I'm also busy with some really exciting stuff. Can't share it with you guys yet, but I'm so excited. I think you will probably hear about it around next week. It's just a little project within Big Pumpkin Hair. I'm so excited about it. Really cool. Keep posted. This is what my hair looks like today. Just natural hair update. I washed my hair on Friday. So this is first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day. Nah, that can't be right. This is the sixth day. This is the sixth day. So this is sixth day hair. That's crazy. I didn't even realize that. I will tell you how I got it to look like this. So at the moment I'm using the regimen that I'm recording for you guys. So in this course I'm gonna tell you about all the basic natural hair slang, natural hair words that you need to know, the kinds of products you should use. I will give you tips on how to know what your hair will like. I'm not gonna tell you what products to buy. More likely I'm gonna tell you to DIY your hair products. But enough about the course, about my hair. So I'm using the hair regimen that I will explain in the course as a base, and then you can tweak it as you like. So what I do right now is I had my wash day on Friday. I refresh my hair every day. If I'm not going anywhere, if I'm staying at home, for example in the weekend I stayed home, I just spritz my hair with some water so at least it gets some moisture. I did that every day, and when I refresh my hair I usually put in some leave-in conditioner. It doesn't need a lot because I already have product in my hair from the styling on wash day. What I did today is again I refreshed my hair, the front, the back, in the middle, and the ends. Very important to wet the ends. I wet my hair in the shower, then I got out of the shower, I put on some leave-in conditioner, again just a little bit, dime size. It was really not a lot. On my edges, on the front of my hair, this is what frames the face, and what happens in the back is less important to me. Maybe to you it's more important that your curls are defined all over. If your leave-in conditioner doesn't form your curls, add a curling mustard. Add a curling custard, some sort of product to form your curls. Gel. This will be amazing to define your curls. After I put in the leave-in conditioner, I put my hair in a cotton t-shirt. While I was doing my makeup and getting dressed, it makes your curls clump together because it is wet, it got some moisture, it's nourished. If you let that sit for maybe 30 minutes, how long you do your makeup and you put on your clothes, in these 30 minutes your curls will form without you even doing anything. So So that is amazing. When you're done with getting ready, you take off your cotton t-shirt. I'm stretching my hair. I put my hair in sections again, focus on the end, retain the length that I have to minimize the shrinkage. At least it won't mat up. I stretch my hair for functionality and for aesthetics. So I put my hair in as many sections as possible. Take it from the roots and I slide my hand down. I grab the curls and sort of stretch them as well. But you don't really want to touch the ends of your curls because this is the most beautiful part and it will also be the most visible. So don't mess with the curls on the end. The next step is to take your blow dryer and to just blow dry the roots of your hair. The roots of your hair until your hand. And make sure that the blow dryer is on a cold setting. Lightly blow dry your ends as well because you do not want to keep them wet while the rest of your hair is already dry. That is what I did to get my hair like this. This was my little hair update. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. If you like this video, make sure to like the video and also subscribe. I'm planning on posting a lot more. It's all gonna be about natural hair, of course, how to do protective styling with fun wigs, fun weaves. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Look, my bitch is all bad. I got pants in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got a baby, I need some money, yeah.